Today I am again coming to Officers Club for fishing. So last time when we are camping here, a whole night camping and grilling, so I didn't get any fish, only some sherry and crabs. You can see my last video on YouTube, and please subscribe my channel. Easy busy. Let's see, today I am coming again here for fishing, and I am hoping today I will catch inshallah big queen fish or some kingfish, or that's for me for fishing. I'll see you on the next. Let's see. And guys, again I inform you, if somebody coming to fishing here, not allowed parking there. You have to come by volunteer bus. Bus number is 44, and most of the people is coming fishing area. This is good place. Everybody come and try to fishing here. You will be enjoying. Guys, today live bait is, try to find live bait, but it's very difficult to find today. So I am using today's the plastic. This is for barracuda or king. Sometimes coming golden trevally. So let's see what happens. Today I will try to getting some big fish. See, this is the area of the fishing. So you can come here for fishing here. Very good places. Guys, I trying to mass casting by plastic fish, but it is not able to fishing today. I'll take rest 5 minutes and then I'll strike again. I'll casting again. So let's see what is the position today for fishing here. Actually I don't know, maybe the weather is changing, that's why there is some changing here. Let's see until evening. Hello guys, this is the Officers Club. See this area. This is the Officers Club. It's nice fishing area. Most people come to fishing here. We are getting some fish here. Before we fishing this behind this building, now not allowed there fishing. Today my machine is broken. Actually this is a very normal machine, but I using long time, that's why. So now evening is coming fish now, little. So let's see, I have another one there. I already casting. No fish guys, only I catch 4-5 piece. This is small kabasi. This is also good taste, but actually this is not for eating, but I use for bait. Actually today my stick is broken, so now I am going. See you in the next video.